Modern pig farming. With the rising popularity of pig farming science and technology in recent years, the specialist pig farming business has gradually solidified and developed. Let's have a look at the design program for a modern pig farm based on mechanized pig farming technology, using a pig farm with an annual fattened pig population of 1,000 as an example, to explore the design of farm functions, farm structures, farm ancillary gear, farm mechanization, and so on. Let's dig in. The pig farm, which produces 1,000 fattened pigs every year, usually requires 2 male breeding pigs, 83 female breeding pigs, 100 sucking piglets, 1,000 wean pigs, and 370 grown pigs. Mechanized pig production is mostly intended based on raising technology. On a weekly basis, the all-in and all-out technique, which employs divided early weaning, is currently commonly employed. So, also known as segregated early weaning, aims to boost sow farrowing productivity, limit disease infection, and improve piglet health by weaning and breeding the piglets in a clean nursery house 250 meters away from the farrowing house. Because today's culture and urban-rural building are quickly evolving, and pig farming is a long-term business, farm design should reflect this. It is preferable to locate the pig farm as part of the livestock production base, as part of the shopping basket scheme, since there will be no need for demolition. The general concept of the mechanized pig farm is designed with a strong cleanliness and epidemic prevention system in mind, as well as production management. Typically, the pig farm is divided into several districts based on different functions, such as production buildings, farrowing houses, breeding pig houses, finishing houses, and so on. Comment below if you have worked at a pig farm. Slaughtering, flesh cutting, or deboning, and further processing are the 3 stages of pork meat processing. Cutting is the process of reducing the size of big to medium-sized food items. Fresh meat may be preserved and scattered under refrigeration after being chopped. It can be sold in portions or in combination with other foods. The additional processing of meat into ham, sausage, bacon, and other products is done largely for preservation, but it is also vital to provide good food. Pork sausages are currently made in a variety of recipes. With the creation of meat processing equipment, an automatic sausage filling machine, and an automatic sausage tying machine, the sausage product achieves fully automatic manufacturing. The next stage in sausage making is to grind the materials using a meat grinding machine efficiently. The meat components are ground into small, consistently sized particles during the grinding stage. The basic component in a sausage recipe is ground meat. The qualities of the meat elements used to make the sausage, such as the overall flavor, texture, and odor, as well as the protein and fat content, identify the kind of sausage. Grinding procedures differ depending on the supplier and the type of the product. Some sausages utilize coarsely ground meats, while others use finely ground meats. Some producers separate the lean and fat trimmings and grind the lean trimmings finer than the fat meats. To achieve the necessary qualities for a certain sausage recipe, manufacturers carefully manage the mixing of meat and non-meat elements. The meat and non-meat items are thoroughly combined in a meat mixer. The blending procedure must also ensure that any non-meat elements in the final formulation are distributed uniformly. Flavorings, salts, and other additives, for example, must be combined uniformly throughout a sausage composition. These are various prominent pieces of pig house ventilation and heating equipment: the fiber-reinforced plastic fan, negative pressure fan, evaporative air cooler and evaporative cooling pad area for airflow. And the Piggery Hot Blaster Heater is a brand new tempering system with a sizable applicable area that can maximize thermal emission and transfer it to the piggery in the most efficient way possible to keep energy costs low. For the smoking process, only delicious cherry wood chip is utilized for smoking. For further processing, once the sausages have undergone the heating treatment, it goes through the water spraying process, where the temperature is reduced rapidly. This increases its shelf life. Then comes the raw smoked product section, where the raw smoked sausages are kept for about 20 to 30 days for curing. During this process, an automated temperature controlling system is employed to keep the airflow in the chamber suitable for the sausages. Just look at all that meat. It's sure going to be delicious once it's on the plate. Fresh sausage is occasionally packed for sale in the ordinary course. The product can be packed in a gas-impermeable material and stored or displayed in a refrigerator. The particular packaging will vary depending on the end demands. The user, however, the processor, must adhere to sanitary regulations while packaging any sausage product to avoid contaminating the product. Retail fresh sausage is frequently tray packaged. On the other hand, many sausage products are vacuum packaged, freshness dated, and completely edible. To keep its freshness, the factory workers must handle it with care and store it correctly. The fresh sausages should be either used immediately or frozen. Vacuum-packed sausage may be frozen in its whole, either wrapping in zipper bags, freezer paper, or plastic wrap. It's appropriate to exclude air from the box. Items can be frozen for up to 2 months without altering the flavor or quality of the sausage. And by now, you have the perfectly made sausages, which you can take out of your fridge and toss in your oven or pan for your next meal. So, have you been to a modern pig farm? Comment below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.